Hello students, welcome back to Future Foundation. Students, in this video, I am going to discuss question from JEE Advanced. Question I am taking from probability. So let's start. Students, question says, a student appears for a quiz consisting of only true false type questions and answers all the questions. The student knows the answers of some questions and guesses the answers for the remaining questions. Whenever the student knows the answer of a question, he gives the correct answer. Assume that the probability of the student giving the correct answer for a question given that he has guessed it is 1 by 2. Also, assume that the probability of the answer for a question being guessed given that the student's answer is correct is 1 by 6. Then the probability that the student knows the answer of a randomly chosen question is. Student, question was asked in JEE Advanced 2024 paper 1. So let us define some events first. So let K be the event that he knows the answer, right? G be the event that he guess the answer, and C be the event that the answer is correct. Okay students, so what we need in this question, we need P of K, right? P of K. So in this question, P of K is what? Because it is written that uh, probability that the student knows the answer of a randomly chosen question is what? Okay. Now, according to Bayes' theorem, probability that he knows the answer given that answer is correct is equal to probability of known answer into probability of correct answer given that he knows it on total probability, that is probability of K into probability of C by K plus probability of G into probability of C by G, right? And also probability of G by C. Here G by C is representing, here probability of G by C is representing probability of guess, probability that he guessed the answer given that answer is correct is probability that he guessed the answer into probability of correct answer given that he guessed it again upon total probability, that is P of K into probability of C by K plus probability of G into probability of C by G. Also, some information is given in the question, and what is it? Probability of correct answer given that he knows the answer. Probability of correct answer given that he knows the answer is obviously 1. It is 1, right? Because it is clearly written in the question that student knows the answer of some question, that whenever the student knows the answer of a question, he gives the correct answer, right? So when he knows the answer, he will give the correct answer. So probability of correct answer is 1 when he knows the answer. Probability of correct answer when he guessed it is 1 by 2. It is clearly mentioned in the question that probability of the student giving the correct answer for a question given that he has guessed it is 1 by 2. And one thing is also known, one more thing is also known, which is probability of guessed answer when it is correct is 1 by 6. Right, again it is written that probability of the answer of for a question being guessed given that the student's answer is correct is 1 by 6. Now if I see first, then I don't know what is this, right? P of k by c, but we know this P of g by c, right? So using second, therefore P of g by c is 1 by 6 is equal to P of g. P of g is as it is. I don't know what is P of g, to P of c by g, which is 1 by 2 upon probability of pk into P of c by k. Probability of c by k is 1, so P of k is as it is. I don't know what is P of k, into 1 plus P of g is not known, P of g as it is, and P of c by g, and P of c by g is 1 by 2, right? And also P of k plus P of g is equal to 1, because it is mentioned that student answer all the questions. Either he guess or he knows the answer, but he has to answer all the questions. So P of k plus P of g is equal to 1. So if I write in place of Pg as 1 minus Pk, so it will be 1 by 3 is equal to 1 minus Pk on Pk plus 1 by 2 into 1 minus Pk. So it will be 1 by 3 is equal to 2 minus 2 Pk upon 2 Pk minus Pk, that is Pk plus 1, right? Cross multiplication, using cross multiplication, this will be P of k plus 1 is equal to 6 minus 6 Pk. Okay, so this is 7 Pk is equal to 5, or Pk is equal to 5 by 7, and which is the required probability, 5 by 7. So answer C, option C is correct. So students, let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.